A lock, really? Oh, it's
You need fingernails for it.
I just pulled that
the
down.
lock.
You can just get one with a button. Whoa! All right.
Is it hot? Oh yeah, you're gonna have to flip it. No, flip it over.
It's heavy.
Oh, the white looks kind of nice. Okay. It is black.
Oh, it's just the box.
Well, there's a black dot on the front. I assume that means it's black.
I don't know where to grab it.
Just grab the
Very heavy.
It is surprisingly heavy. The little box.
It's just like a
Nothing.
spacer thing. Came with a cloth thing over it.
Wow.
But it has a handle.
The only thing that's slightly annoying to me is that you can't really put it under the counter.
Ours doesn't fit under anyway, so.
Yeah, well, that's a good thing.
I mean, you could, well, I couldn't. I mean, I guess, yeah, because that.
Did you watch any videos?
Kind of. You hold that out and you could.
I think this thing is supposed to go up and
Yeah,
down.
it goes up and down.
Where are the water test strips? Are they in there?
Yeah, peel all the tape off.
Did they give you more than one?
Probably not. What is that?
That's a,
Little poker thing?
I don't know what that is, but you'll find out and let me know.
Okay. So that's a little grind pitcher.
Yeah, I assume.
I wonder if it fills up with water a lot.
I don't know. I have no idea. So this goes up and down.
So this is like a little bit magnetic.
I believe a long shot is like a shot with more ounces of water. But it could be a double shot.
Where's the cord, Kyle?
No, an Americano. Americano is just espresso with water added, and that's what this back jet is for, I think. Oh no, you know what? That's the Euro, or whatever it's called. So never mind. I don't know if this might make Americanos.
It might. I know I was looking at it and it's super simple. Does it have an app?
It does not have an app. But what I saw was that you push this button twice, and all these buttons do two different things. So if you push this once, the button is
It's white.
white, and all of them do the white thing. If you push it again, all of them are orange, and they do the orange thing, and then you have to learn what these icons mean. Browns go in here.
Ristretto, espresso, coffee, hot water.
Is this for like how
They said
fine you want them?
Yes, so if your coffee is, you'll just have to read about it, but the one thing I did read is you can't turn this without it running,
Okay.
because
Or you
you'll
turn it with
crush
no
the
beans
grind.
in it.
No beans or while it's running. And you really should only have to set your grind one time to
It
your,
looks like it's set to probably
to your
like
liking.
what most people want it at.
Set right in the middle.
Then you got two lids for water.
Small water tank.
That's what's down in there.
Yeah, but we mainly just make espresso, so that'll last a while.
Water.
And then
just
spin
make
it.
This?
Yeah, no, spin the whole machine, because
Oh.
the side is
We can't lose whatever that is.
where the grinding chamber is or something.
Oh,
Keep going.
over here.
What's this? Just like a heat vent?
Yeah, probably. It's got a vent here too. It's got a vent here too. And then
So you pop that, it comes completely off. Vent. And so this,
Oh, this is like a float valve.
yeah. This, I believe you push this in and it'll pull right out. And then that's where it makes the little pucks.
do I have to empty that often?
No.
No, you should never have to empty this. It will empty itself.
Oh, it'll
Into-
shoot them into this.
Grinds
The
go
grind
in here.
box?
Yeah.
It'll shoot them into there. But one thing I did see watching somebody's YouTube video was that when you clean this thing, it has to be completely dry before you put it back into the machine.
Oh, okay. I mean, that makes a little bit of sense. Maybe you have to pinch it. Oh, you just have to, like, give it some force.
Okay. So the whole thing is like matte plastic. Doesn't leave fingerprints. It's kind of nice. Plug goes in like that. It's like it's like an old computer plug. Thick cable. So you know it sucks up some amps.
Not that long.
This is interesting.
I like that because if you have like a long cup
Yeah,
or
you
just
can
an
put a bigger-
espresso
Yeah,
cup.
you can put a bigger cup in there.
This is definitely metal.
You can take this out and it'll still run.
This is raised and it's mirrored. The buttons are actually my buttons, they're not just touch. These do nothing other than light up.
I like how simple it looks.
It does seem pretty simple. All right. Well, oh, power button.
Oh, that's important to know.
All right, that's the unboxing and the close-up. Stay tuned for the operation of. Thanks for watching. See you next time.